Module 7: The Reformation, the Wars of Religion, and the Scientific Revolution. We will begin our last module of this course with an examination of the conditions prior to the Reformation. Then we will give a close examination to Martin Luther and the Reformation. We're concerned with Luther's main disagreements with the Roman Catholic Church and what political, economic, and social conditions help explain why the movement he began spread so quickly across Europe. Then we'll move to a broader view and look at the spread of the Protestant Reformation. We'll look at the tenets of Lutheranism, Zwinglianism, Anabaptism, and Calvinism, and how they differed from each other and how they differed from Catholicism. We'll also examine the impact that political, economic, and social conditions had on the development of these reform groups. We'll also look at the social impact of the Protestant Reformation, examining the influence or changes it wrought upon society during the 16th century. From there, we'll look at the Catholic Reformation, the Catholic Church's response to the Protestant Reformation. We'll look at the measures that the Catholic Church took to reform itself and to combat Protestantism in the 16th century. And we'll conclude our look at the Protestant Reformation with the politics and the wars of religion in the 16th century, looking at the role that politics, economics, and social conditions and religion played in the European wars that ravaged throughout the 16th century. What developments during the Middle Ages and the Renaissance contributed to the scientific revolution of the 17th century? We'll begin by answering that question. We will then look at a change in the human understanding of the heavens by looking at the development of astronomy. We'll look at the contributions that Copernicus, Kepler, Galileo, and Newton gave to this new vision of the universe and how it differed from the Ptolemaic conception of the universe that preceded it. We'll also look at the advances in medicine and chemistry, including the contributions by Vesalius, Harvey, Boyle, and Lavoisier. We will also look at the role that women played in the origins of modern science. From the physical sciences, we'll move on to the philosophical sciences, and specifically Descartes and his contributions to a new philosophical approach to understanding humanity, rationalism. And we will conclude this course by looking at the spread of scientific knowledge and the impact that it had on society and religion.